Hi there. Today we're taking a look at a product from TICONN. This is their 5-piece office chair replacement wheel set. They were nice enough to send me in exchange for an honest review. Great packaging. You see lots of great information. Supports up to 650 pounds. It will fit 98% of office chairs that are out there, except for a few. You can see on the back side, it gives some dimensions, some examples of the chairs that you can use it on. And it's basically as long as your chair has a 7/16 diameter stud up here, it will fit on your chair. Here's the dimensions of the wheel. You can see the packaging inside to get it to you, very secure. All the wheels kind of come stacked in this nice little foam cutout. I left the last wheel in here. They all come individually wrapped. And so you can see how easily they are replacements. Here's the original wheel. Here's this wheel. You can see if we kind of put it at the top there, you're going to gain almost another inch of height on the wheel, which is really nice. Also, diameter size of the wheel is much larger, which makes it easier to roll over obstacles, whether you've got uneven surfaces or rugs. The original wheels just pull out, and you can literally take the new wheels, push them right in, and they're set and ready to go. Hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.